Charles, that's kind of big, I think. I better start with something a little smaller. So now this is a metal. It's just a metal. And watch what happens when I put a metal in water. Ah. If you're really quiet, you can hear it fizz. It turns into a ball because it melts. It gets really hot and now it's starting to dance around on top of the water. Yeah. Well, as long as it doesn't explode. Well, I was kind of hoping we'd get a little explosion here. Oh, Mr. Mario, I forgot one last piece of... All right, well, it's not that great. That's really nice of you to say that. But I'm going to go one more, and then I'm sorry, Mr. Rogers. He said you really shouldn't do all of this, Mr. Kline. Everybody, I'm kidding. I'm just trying to talk because I'm in the middle of doing something without just trying to keep everybody else from talking. No, I'm not putting the whole thing in. All right, we'll try. Oh boy, Mrs. Charles, you're glad you're over there, right? Okay. Put it all in. That's what she said. Well, as you can see, at least it made something new. It didn't catch on fire yet. You can see it's releasing a gas. And what that gas is, and there's no marker here, oh well.
Going right over to that table.
So anyway, it's too small now, it's not. But what happens sometimes is we get, it catches on fire and it could actually, leave a pretty loud report. And it's because it's releasing hydrogen gas. And you may be familiar with that for anyone that might be old enough to remember, well, not remember, but heard about the Hindenburg. It was filled with hydrogen rather than helium, because helium is a noble gas, it's inert, it won't catch fire, but the hydrogen will. And that, Lakehurst, New Jersey, 1937, and there was a spark and ignited the whole thing, and all the humanities and the whole famous radio broadcast. In any event, if we look here now, and it says, so the physical properties, we kind of brought it around